Guys, it's Jeffrey back with another daily technicals video. And real quick, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post daily technical videos as well as weekly analysis and also training and educational videos for Forex traders out there trying to basically get a grasp of all the information. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the charts. Alright, so first I always look at the dollar index and get it pulled up. Okay. So we're still trading between the range that I've outlined. This high here, which comes in at 90.15, and this low here that comes in at 89.75. So really until we get a breakout of either, the upside here or whether we come below this gray box here. Until we get a clear direction out of this range, I don't really know which way it wants to go because it's just consolidating. So you can see it's just moving sideways between this low and this high here. So whenever that happens, we know that the market's consolidating. So let me take a look at the daily time frame real quick. Yeah, you could see on the daily we came up, we took out some buy stops on the daily time frame and we've rejected since then. So I want to see them start trading lower now. The only thing is sometimes when it leaves a high like this in place, it likes to run the stops one more time before coming lower. But currently we're still holding this high back here, so as long as we hold that and start trading lower, then any longs on foreign currency should be decent probability. So let me pull up the euro. Okay, so looking at the euro on the daily, we're still expecting the push up. Again, we did have a little bit of a rally on dollar yesterday, so we did get some retracement on euro dollar. Took out these buy stops, these sell stops here, and we should start to trade higher now. We just have to see what we get. So let's take a look at cable. And if we look at cable on a daily time frame, we're still holding this bullish order block here, and we look like we're forming a low. So we'll see if we get some bullish price action during London trading tonight, and we'll look to enter long either this or Euro USD. We just have to see what we get between the two. If we look at Euro GBP, yeah, we're back within the consolidation now. It looks like it wants to go higher. But I don't know. If this level holds right here, if we get this level to hold, then more than likely prices are going to want to go higher. But if we break this, we're probably going to want to come back and test this low here. So let's look at dollar CAD. And we have taken a short on this at 29.15, so it still hasn't done anything, I don't believe. Yeah, okay, so just to explain what I'm looking for here. I was waiting for this level to be broken. So I was watching prices, we're trading up here, and we took out these levels of stops. So I said, okay, if we get some rejection and we break below this level, that'll be a break in market structure, and any retest should be a decent opportunity to sell. Well, it's kind of late in the day, so we're not going to put really any risk behind this at all, or either take it on demo. So initially I had my stop loss here at 29.45, about 25 pips or so, but I told you guys trail it to 29.17. We may already be stopped out on this, just simply because it's late in the day and we could get a retracement, possibly back up to this ICT bearish order block. And if that's the case, then this will be a better short for us to go either short during Asia or possibly London session tonight. But that is it for today's technicals video, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and also hit that thumbs up, and I will continue posting daily videos for you guys. Make sure to drop any comments below if you have any feedback or questions on the video. See you guys tomorrow.